passed through the four walls of Government College Ojo. What impact has this made to your life, man? In very brief words, man.
Yes, my name is Roslyn Mbre Okeke. I am named Mbre. I want to thank God for my life and the life of all members of Government College Ojo, old students, the living and the dead. Yes, because it's a pain that we lost some of us. I am of 1980 set. I'm much delighted because a lot of people actually reminded me of who I was then. I passed out from that school at the age of 16 plus. I was one of the top athletes in the school. I was representing the school in athletics state-wise. In my house, I was one of the foremost athletes. I saw a lot of people have not seen for over 35 years. So to me, it's like my life went back to that time. I started seeing myself as that young girl I was. To the glory of God, today I am. I think 80 to this day is about 39 years. Here I am. To the glory of God.